Knee pain is a common complaint that affects people of all ages. It can cause by a variety of factors such as injury, arthritis, or overuse of the muscle. While there are medical treatments available for knee pain, but many people prefer to explore natural remedies first. In this video, I'm going to share with you natural ways to prevent and treat knee pain. These remedies can help alleviate your symptoms and also promote long-term knee health. And let's learn how to take care of your knees naturally. Hi, welcome to Stress Out Stress Free. If you haven't met yet, my name is Vincent Woon, where I help people like you stay stress-free by changing one habit at a time. Today, we are going to talk about why your knees hurt and how to prevent it. The knee joint is one of the largest and most complex joints in the body. It is responsible for supporting your weight and also the body and allowing movement of the lower leg. The knees is made out of four main components: the bone, the cartilage, the ligament, and also the tendon. And any damage to these components can cause knee pain. Let's look at what causes knee pain. Or how many of you know anyone with knee pain? Just let me know in the chat. Maybe you can help them, right? Okay. Let's look at the causes of knee pain. First, we have arthritis. This is one of the most common causes of knee pain, especially in older adults, elderly people, right? Arthritis is the inflammation of the joint where it can lead to pain, stiffness, and also swelling. Next is ligament injuries. Ligament injuries can cause the knee pain, especially if the ligament is torn. This can happen due to a sudden twist or impact or from a sports or fall. Meniscus tear. What is meniscus? Meniscus is a cartilage that acts as a cushion in between the bones of your knees. Let's say these are the bones, right? It's a cushion in between there, so that to be enable it to move easily. Okay, tear in the meniscus can be due to sudden twisting, squatting, and lifting heavy things. Patellar tendonitis. Patella is the bone that's that holds, that kind of like on top. Let's say this is the knee joint, right? There's the bone right on top of the knee. So if you put your hand down and feel your knees, there's a bone on top of the knee. That's the patella. What is patellar tendonitis then? The patellar tendon, which connects to the kneecap to the shin bone, which is the bigger bone on your leg. Okay, and this is a common condition for athletes who frequently jump and land on hard surface. Last but not least is obesity. Excess of weight can put pressure on the knee and also lead to discomfort. So let's look at the natural ways to prevent or treat knee pain. As I mentioned earlier, right, maintaining a healthy weight is number one, because it's one of the effective way to prevent knee pain, and by maintaining your healthy weight, this can reduce the pressure on your knee joint and also reduce the risk of getting injured and pain. Then you want to practice good posture. Good postures help you to distribute your weight evenly and reduce the pressure on the knees. Regular exercise can help strengthen the muscles around the knee and also prevent knee pain. If focus on low impact exercise such as swimming, cycling, and walking, which is Steele's favorite and swimming is my favorite. All right. Stretching before exercise is important. It's important. Why? You want to warm up the muscle, make sure the muscles is properly stretched. This can help warm up the muscle and reduce the risk of injury. Of course, wearing supportive shoes. make sure you are wearing comfortable shoes and they are supporting your feet, because then if not, and make sure that it fits probably well too. If not, then it will cause impact on your to get knee sprain and or even you breaking your ankle bone or knee bones. I mean knee sprain and ankle sprain, right? Of course, you also want to use proper technique when exercising and engaging with physical activity. Use proper technique to avoid putting extra strain on your knee joint. So when you have pain, you can also apply heat and cold therapy, which helps to reduce the inflammation in the joint. So you basically want to start with the ice first on the affected area for 20 minutes at a time, and then use the heating pad or warm towel for another 15 or to 20 minutes. This always start out with cold and then hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, that way. And make sure if it's hot, make sure you do not burn yourself, or it's cold, you don't get frostbite, right? And it all depends on your preference. Some people like it cold, some people like it hot. So use your own judgment. The use of ginger has a compound that has anti-inflammatory and energetic effects, which can help reduce pain. And if you add ginger to your meal and brew it into the tea too. I've been drinking ginger tea because I have it helps also to also with heartburn and inflammation, help reduce inflammation too. So I've been drinking ginger tea with honey and lemon, which is great, and with heartburn and also releasing gas from your body too. Oh yeah, this is my favorite, massaging on the knee. Massaging on the knee can help reduce pain and improve mobility with a gentle circulation motion with your fingertip, and consider using a foam roller or a massage ball to break down all the tightness in there. Turmeric is a spice that contain curcumin. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, which has an anti-inflammatory properties. Adding turmeric to your meal or taking a turmeric supplement can help reduce the pain too. What about acupuncture? Right? Acupuncture is a ancient Chinese practice that using tiny needles, inserting needles into the specific points of the body. It helps it has shown that is an effective way to reduce knee pain and improve the function. Omega-3 acid. Omega-3 acid has usually found in fish oil, flaxseed, and other sources. They have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce your knee pain too. Consider adding more omega-3 to your diet by taking fish oil, or my favorite, eat more salmon. All right. Those are what I have here. We have all the natural ways to do it. Right now, I'm going to show you some extra. I'm going to show you how to massage your leg, or how to some techniques to help you release tension on your knees. Okay. All right. If you want, you can do it with me. The first one is what I call, you want to, with your finger pad, the five pad of your finger, you want to grab hold of your knee. Let's say pretend this is your knee. Just grab hold, and then you want to do rotate and do circular movement. And then after that, you want to just shake the grab and shake the knee. Okay, you want to do that 2 to 3 times a day. Let me just show you how to do it. Go right to this. Let's pretend that's your knee. You're going to, oops. Wrong one. For 1 second. Change it. Okay. All right. Let's do it one more time. This is to you can do this sitting down with your palm, with your finger pad. You want to grab the whole knee, you see, and then you want to move it, shake it, turn around, jiggle, 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 grab it and shake it this way. The idea is grab it and move it. Create circulation, loosening up the area, right? Turn, move a different angle again. Grab on it, shake it, grab on it, shake it, and that will help bring the circulation to the area. Right, this will also help loosen up the any tightness that's on the kneecap itself. Okay, all right. Moving along, we have what I call padding around the knees. Okay, you want to actually more like cupping and pad around your knees. You want to curve your hand, make a curve like this, like a curve in your hand, right? And you want to go pat on around the knees like such. You want to make sure that there's a curve on your hand, on your palm, and then you want to pump it, pat it. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one. Pop it. Pop it. Or cupping it. All right. So you can do this sitting down again. Make sure you want to put your hand, the palm, like cupping. And then just pat around your knees, top, bottom, sideways, round, circle, up and down, all around the knee. That will help to loosen up. And this is I learned this from a lady in China. She said she was having problem walking up the stairs and doing stuff because her knees is hurting. And she found this ancient Chinese technique, just basically simple, very simple. Just curve your hand, make sure your hand is like looks like a cup, and then you just start patting around the area. You pat there for 3 months, and everything was fine. And now he's doing everything, not doing the normal stuff that she couldn't do, and also she's carrying stuff and walking around like nothing happened. Okay, you want to do that 2 to 3 minutes. No, sorry, you want to do like 36 times, maybe 2 to 3 times a day. Okay, 36 times. Just pat it. Our goal is to loosen up the area, and when you loosen up, when you pad, right, when you cup it like this, we will bring circulation to the area. When you bring circulation to the area, you bring blood to the area. When you bring blood to the area, you bring oxygen to the area. When you bring oxygen to the area, there's not going to be any pain. So that's how you eliminate the pain. Okay. All right. The next and last one is there's two ways you can do this. You can do this with standing up or sitting down. Okay. You want to use your pad of your hand. You want to use the palm of your hand on the big pad here. All right. Pad on your hand. Pretend this is your knee. You want to go use the pad, push down the knee, push all the way down to the bottom of the knee. And then when you want to kind of like grab with your middle finger and your pointer finger and middle finger, just grab the knee and then come back up. Okay. So basically I call this push and grab. Okay. Push and grab. All right. So you want to push down the patella with your finger, with the pad of your finger, with your pad of your hand, push it down all the way past the knee, and then when you come up, you want to grab onto the knees, and then with your middle finger and your pointer finger, you just want to grab it up like such. Just grab it up. Okay. Let me show you how to do it. That's this one here. All right. This is doing standing up. Use your use the pad of your hand and push the knee. Push down. Push it down. Push the knee down. with the pad, and then you pass the knee, and then you want to grab your knees with your middle finger and the pointer finger and the middle finger, and just pull it up. Okay, let's throw it on the knee. Push with the pad of the finger, of the hand, push it down over the knee, and then push it back up, grab it back up. Okay, push down, push the pad, the pad of the palm down, and then you want to, with the pointer finger and the middle finger, you want to kind of like grab the knee and come up. One more time. I'll show you sideways. You want to, again, you want to use the pad of the palm all the way down past the knee, and then grab with your middle finger and your pointer finger up of the knee. All right, that's standing up. You're going to do the same thing too, but now we can do it sitting down. Okay, if you want, you can do this along and then let me know how you feel. Let's do this now, sitting down. Don't forget, you're going to use, nope, that's the wrong one. Yeah, this is a sitting down. Use the pad of the palm, push it down, and then pointer finger and middle finger, grab it up. Push the palm down, grab up with the pointer and middle finger. Okay. Here you want to use your body weight to push it down and then come back up. Push it down and come back up. So that way you don't use any hand strength. Okay. Push it down sideways and grab it up. Use the pad, push it down, and then pointer finger, middle finger, just grab it up. Push it down, grab it up. If you really have a tight knee pain, it will be painful. So what you do is you do slowly. All right. Maybe the first few times you might not get pushed all the way down because it's painful. But what I want you to do is when you continue doing it, try to do it lightly then. But then the idea is to create the to break the tightness down. So you want to just go slow, come back up, slow, come back up, push down, slow, come back up. So you want to do as many times as possible. Usually you do this about 30 times, But if you need more, if your knees are stiff and hard, just push it down and bring it up. Okay? All right. Thank you very much for watching. So basically, that's all I have for today. So we talk about how the knee is so important, right? I'm going to summarize how the knee is important there because the knee joint is a big joint. It has 4 parts on it. Has at the bone, and then have the tendon, and then what else does it have? The bone, the tendon, the ligament, and the cartilage. So any part of this this component is not working, it will cause knee pain. Of course, we talk about cause of knee pain is arthritis. There's inflammation in the joint, and then we talk about ligament injuries that caused by a torn ligament, such as impact from fall or sports. Okay, and then meniscus tear, the tear in the meniscus that caused by sudden twisting, squatting, and lifting heavy objects. But tendonitis is the tendon that holds the kneecap, and usually this happens with athletes who do frequently jump and land on hard surface. And of course, last but not least is the obesity that's caused with the extra weight that cause pressure and cause the knee pain. All right, and then we talk about natural ways to treat or prevent knee pain. We talk about, of course, once again, you need to maintain a healthy weight so that you will not create pressure and it also pressure on the knees and help reduce the risk of injury and pain. And then practice good posture, of course. When you want to, with good posture, you want to hold your body straight, and that will help equal up the weight, and then so that you will not, so that it will reduce pressure onto your knees. Okay. And then regular exercise help to strengthen the muscles around the knees. And you want to do low impact exercise like swimming, my favorite, cycling, and walking, Steele's favorite. Of course you want to stretch before exercising. Make sure you want to warm up the muscle properly so that it will reduce the risk of getting injuries. Wearing shoes, supportive shoes, is important. You want to make sure that your leg is supported so that your knees, will not impact your knees, and that will help prevent knee pain. Okay. Use of proper technique. When you exercise, make sure you engage with the proper technique to avoid extra strain on your knees. Okay. When you have pain, you also want to apply heat or cold. You make sure is that first you apply for 10 minutes of ice, and then you want to go with the heat 20 minutes. I prefer heat better, but that's up to you to debate, and it is all totally up to your preference. Using of ginger is also ginger helps. It's an anti-inflammatory, and helps to reduce pain. And if you add ginger in your meal or tea, that will help too. Massage can, of course, if I show you a couple techniques just now, that how you can massage to help bring improvement and improve the mobility, right? And of course, you can also use massage ball or a foam roller to do it. Turmeric have curcumin in there. Is another anti-inflammatory properties in there, and it help reduce the pain on the knees. Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese medicine practice, and use tiny needles to go on particular specific spots in the body to help reduce the pain and improve the function. Omega-3 like fish oil, flaxseed, and it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the pain. And consider taking omega-3 in your diet and taking fish oil supplement. Okay, and then we talk about how to take care of your knees, right? First, you want to grab your. Let me just show you. And then we talk about how to do it, right? So we talk about grabbing your where did they go? Okay, first we talk about grab and hold the knees. So basically, just grab your knees with your finger pads, hold it, and then jiggle, move it around, and then turn, reposition it, move it, and then jiggle, shake, and loosen up the tightness in there. Okay, you can go crazy to sometimes it's okay. And then next we talk about cupping. Use the you want to cup your. You want to curve your palm inwards, like looks like a cup, and then you can just cup, pat around the knees. Of course, you do both knees too. I'm just showing you one side, okay, one side of the knees. And then last but not least is to push, and then you push and grab the knee. You want to push your knees with your pad of your palm. Push it down all the way past the knee, and then you have to grab and with your knees with your pointer finger and the middle finger all the way up past the kneecap. Okay? Push it down with the palm, past the knee, and then you have to, with your middle finger and your pointer finger, you just grab it up, pull it up, push it down again. Grab it up and push it down again. And also you can do it by sitting down, same way. Use the pad of the palm, push it down, grab it up with your middle finger and the pointer finger. Okay. Push down. This is one you can use your body weight to push it down and then just pull it back up. So you can go push down, push your body forward with the when you push it down, and then pull your body backwards when you grab and pull it up. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And this is basically just the rundown of what I just showed you. Let me go to the chat and see what we have here. And if you have any questions, please put down in the chat and let me know. If you're watching after the fact, also same thing. Don't worry, just put down in the chat and I will be happy to answer you. Hi Steve, how you doing? Good. All right. Is it still raining in Vancouver? I wore my new shoes today and it feels good. Yep. Yeah, it's especially when you walk a lot, you make sure you change your shoe like every 3 to 6 months, depending on how crazy you walk. Sometimes, you make sure you want to the sole of the shoe is flat, and you don't want to be lopsided. When you're lopsided, that means you are messing up with your gait, and then once you mess up with your gait, you will mess up with your ankle, and when you mess up your ankle, you will start messing up your knees. And when your knees is messed up, your lower back is going to mess up. When your lower back is messed up, upper back is going to mess up, and then it comes to your neck and shoulder, and then all the way up to the head, and then that's how you get serious neck and shoulder pain and head pain. Okay, all right, yeah. So make sure shoes are important. Make sure you lace them up, tie them up. not like one time my son he went ice skating, right? And he playing ice hockey. So he's like, how the young people nowadays, they just lace it and then they just put it up and then they pull it off, take it off again, and then just stick the feet there, and that's it, right? No, when you wear shoes with shoelace, that's why the shoelace are there. Make sure you tighten up your shoelace so you don't hurt yourself. So that one time that he thought he tightened up his lace, but he didn't, and next thing you know, he broke his ankle. Right, even before the training, before getting out to the ring, he already broke his ankle. I'm like, so I was waiting outside, and then like, how come he's not in the ring yet? I call. Actually, he called, and then he said, I think I broke my ankle. So it's like, we drove all the way there for him to do the hockey practice, but, well, broke the ankle. So, so remember, tie your shoelace. Don't be lazy. Tie your shoelace. Okay? Good. Not much. Okay. Not much rain. Okay. Going to rain again on weekends. Especially for work. Yep. Make sure you wear good shoes. Of course, like I used to work in a restaurant, and I always make sure I buy good and comfortable shoes, because if not, it's going to really, really mess up your whole gait and whole body, basically. Because number one, if you work in a restaurant, you are standing all the time, right? You're basically putting a lot of weight onto the body, and if your shoes is not right, you will have aches and pains all the way from the leg up to your neck, up to your head, basically. So make sure you have proper shoes. Okay? All right. Let me look at the chat. Anything else? Okay. Yes, need good shoes. Always need good shoes. I found that if you don't need to dress up, right? You just okay, if sneakers is good for work, I find that New Balance is pretty good so far. So far, they have of course you want to buy the one made in USA. not being anything, but just make sure you get one in USA. The support is much better, and it's more comfortable. And also ASICS is good. ASICS has the gel in there, so it helps contour your feet. But I still like New Balance more. All right. Okay, I want to thank you very much for watching. If you think this helps you, please share with somebody you know. And if you think it really, really help you, make sure you click on the save button down there, so that it will not pop away, or maybe somewhere down the road, maybe a couple months later you need it, or someone that might need it. You can just open it up and share it to your friends, right? So yes, so do that. And also, don't forget, If you are new here, just don't forget to subscribe and also click on the like button so that we know that you're here and you enjoy it. Okay? All right, let me see. You can wear runners at work, at least my job. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's good. So that's perfect then. So you don't have to wear, like sometimes you need to wear the dress shoe or something that's, sometimes it's not comfortable. But if you want to invest good, you can invest in a good dress shoe that's really comfortable too. So that's another brand. All right. Okay. All right. So once again, thank you very much for watching. And if you want to, if you can always support us, support the channel by buymeacoffee.com/Vincent Woon at Buy Me Coffee, or you can go to our merchant store and check out our merchandise there. And also, right down here, you can super thanks or super chat us, and that's how you help support this channel. And don't forget to stay stress-free by changing one habit at a time. And I see you in the next video. And if you want, you can schedule a discovery Zoom call at calendly.com/Vincent-Woon. That's Vincent-Woon/15 minutes. You can call there and then see how I can help you overcome your problem. Okay? All right. Don't forget to click the like, and I see you in the next video.